seen the old man in the closed down market, picking up the papers, his worn out shoes. In his eyes you see no pride, hands helplessly by his side. Yesterday's and so how can you tell me you're lonely and say for me the sun won't shine? Let me take you by the hand and lead you through the streets of London. I'll show you streets of London. I'll show you something to make you in the all-night cafe at So we're just getting ready for our wonderful dinner guests to arrive.
Wow, it's huge, your balcony, eh?
Yeah, I'm very happy with it, I have to say.
It's double the length, because mine doesn't go the length of the bedrooms, but yours does.
Yes.
Just
and,
the bed.
And it's where only the 2 bedrooms have a balcony.
Like this?
Yeah, it's about 30-something feet.
Yeah. Wow.
So,
mine's 20. Mine's
okay.
20 like I have a huge one too.
Yes.
But yours is even much bigger. Look at all. That is nice with all these railing plants.
Thank you. And you know what I thought was an auspicious sign? This. You're coming today, and then we have 5 flowers in bloom. Like,
yeah,
obviously.
That's a lot, right? That's
well,
I know, it is
4. 4.
Yes, yeah. But 2 more are coming.
Yeah. And that's like, in the Hindu religion, it's like a holy flower.
Makes
so
sense.
I thought that was really cool.
Okay, I'll go get the forks, don't worry.
Okay, so I'm just going to go over what we have to eat. We're going to have soon fresh pineapple. Like, you can't get fresher than that. We have some fish, Parsi wedding fish that's in a banana leaf. And we have some spinach Palak Paneer. And we have some shrimp Dansak. And we have some very happy guests.
Yes, I'll get the... so, how many forks and knives do we need?
Should we say a prayer? Okay, you want to say a prayer?
Father, in Jesus' name, the food we prepared is beautiful, and may everyone enjoy it, and it's super good.
Okay, thank you, and God, thank you for our beautiful friend gracing us with her presence. We're very lucky to have her, and I'm really looking forward to some fun, happy memories that we're going to make today.
That's right.
Okay, so we have our food, and we're going to just dig in, and that's it.
Do you want me to serve?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So you're just opening this up. This is it's like a Parsi wedding fish, and it's made with lime juice. I put lemon, cumin, and coconut and coriander. Very, very, like nothing unhealthy.
Is absolutely delicious.
Oh,
and a double treat because my friend Dev made that. All these 3 things, but all 3 things are heavenly.
Thank you so much. That is, you know what they say, like, your reward is people liking or loving your food. I swear to God, I love cooking, and to me, I'm just thrilled. Thank you.
You enjoy it.
Yes. Our friend is much nicer than I am. Okay, so that's beautiful.
Okay.
So we're gonna have a grill. Well, no, we're not having. It's not going to be on the grill, but we have some fresh pineapple. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna. Do you want me to go and get a spoon? We can just scoop out. You look very unhappy.
Pineapple. Yeah. No, it's okay.
Unhappy.
I'm happy.
You don't look very happy.
I'm happy. Yes.
Happy smelling.
You're smiling.
Yes, I'm happy.
Not the crazed look of someone who's gonna get upset.
No, of course not. No.
It is awfully pretty, I must say, what's cut like that.
I love it.
It is pretty.
And it's, you know what, it's so healthy. And you know,
Pineapple's very good for you.
yeah, one of my favorite drinks now, it's not unhealthy. It's have you ever had, can you have mango? Mango
I love
lassies?
mango.
It's my favorite drink. It's better than
I don't
ice
know what it is.
Oh, I'll make it for you sometime. If you can have mango, and I can put honey or maple syrup for sweetener, and it's yogurt. And I think you can have yogurt?
I am not supposed to have milk products.
Oh, okay. Well, okay, then I don't know.
I
But
always get my smoothies at McDonald's and that without yogurt. You doesn't want his. You can have.
okay. I might have it later, though, if you don't mind.
No. You know what I'll do? I'm going to put it in here because of the flies.
Okay. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. This was I think my first garden party that I can recall. I know I've had friends over before, but having sort of a feast in the garden, I've done it before, but I don't think recently. So this was my first one after a long time, and we had a few restrictions in terms of food. So I think we made some great choices. And you know what? The fresh pineapple was such a hit with all of us. It's so refreshing, especially on a hot day like today. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon. Take care.